So I got a couple requests to go over this hashtag shared girlhood on Twitter. Now I was thinking, I don't really want to, but who knows when I'll get some free time. So step one, make some really potent orange juice and Everclear. Step two, drink a lot of it until I'm intoxicated. Step three, here we go, shared girlhood. I wish somebody would explain what the hashtags are supposed to mean. I guess they can mean what you want them to mean. Anyway, let's see. Shared girlhood. Seeing your favorite celebrity females get picked on more than your favorite male celebrities. I can't think of anything more trivial. I hadn't noticed that because I don't really pay attention to celebrities and what happens to them. I guess I focus on things that aren't totally fucking trivial and have nothing to do with me. Yeah. Shared girlhood. Being told he just picks on your because she likes you. Okay, your male and female pronouns don't match. Okay, so I mean that's just some bad English. And also, you're probably told that because it's true most of the time. And also, when boys are picked on by girls, their parents will usually say she's just picking on you because she likes you. Yeah, that truth, it's a bitch. Leaking period blood into my jeans and feeling incredibly ashamed. Shared girlhood. Well, you should feel incredibly ashamed. That is a shameful thing to do. Listen, I wasn't supposed to tell you. But you're actually the only one who gets your period. Other girls, your vagina bleeds because it's trying to get away from you. Your parents told me not to tell you, but I thought you should have the truth. Straight up. Oh, shared girlhood is being brought up to believe that men's free speech always trumps women's physical and emotional safety. Well, first of all, emotional safety, fuck you, you piece of shit. I'm sorry, is that harsh? Second, physical? Physical. Okay, the only way free speech could affect your physical safety is if it was Harry Potter up in this bitch, and I'm all like, Expelliarmus! I don't know any of the Harry Potter words. My point being, unless you have a magic wand, your words aren't going to physically hurt anybody. You're really just kind of a fascist trying to create a world full of people saying things that you want to hear. Was a tomboy girl encouraged in sports by father, teenage years, tells me that he likes his women athletic. Creepy molding. Molding is spelled with a U. Must be a Briton. Well, yeah, fuck him, man. I mean, you're not gonna drop dead of heart disease, morbidly obese, like most people these days. Also, doesn't it stand to reason that he would encourage you into sports because he himself is an athletic type of guy, and as an athletic type of guy, he would be attracted to athletic women? I'm sorry, all of that required a small amount of thinking. So, no, you probably didn't think of that. I might have had too much of that Everclear and orange juice. I have no idea what I have said so far. Ruth. Having boys refusing to buy me pints because pints are unladylike. Shared girlhood. Well, that is so mean. You know why I wouldn't buy you pints? Because why don't you buy your own fucking shit, you goddamn mendicant? Huh? You freeloading piece of shit? Not only do I have to buy you shit, but it has to be the precise shit that you want? Fuck you. Wow, a lot of these are pretty repetitive. Having my training wheels left on my bike needlessly because older brother can't learn to ride and it would make him feel bad. And wood is spelled W-O-O-D, like the cellulose material that trees are made out of. Well, let's see, who is this? Long Haul? Long Haul if I have to share the planet with the likes of you, I don't think it's asking too much that you share your bike with your brother. Learn to spell. Not being allowed to take up boxing for fear of ruining my pretty face. Shared girlhood. I wish there was a picture of you, because I doubt you have a pretty face. Now that buying me pints thing again. Next page. They just keep repeating. Going to my friend's and her showing me her dad's porno mags she had found. I was 8. Shared girlhood. Okay. Being told to smile by random men. Shared girlhood. Those assholes. Being told when sitting national exams that there was a higher pass rate for girls so that only 50% passed. I'm drinking too much. I have no fucking idea what that means. That is potent. Being aware that getting pregnant as a young teenager could ruin my life. Shared girlhood. Well, that's good, because it's true. Being given more chores than my brother. Shared girlhood. Your brother has cerebral palsy. You are such a bitch. You think he can vacuum the carpet when he can barely even fucking stand? Your ableism. I discussed this earlier in one of my videos. Your ableism. It makes me sick. This tweet spells women W-Y-M-E-N. Which actually, I don't even think that's the correct spelling with the Y in it. I think it's supposed to be like W-O-M-Y-N. Let's read it anyway. Complaining that video games depict women as powerless and spending shitloads of energy on that while women still wear burqas. Oh, that one's by Ametkos. No wonder it's funny. And no wonder the women is spelled wrong. He's mocking them. I think Ametkos is a man. I don't know. He follows me on Twitter. Says his account gets blocked a lot. The name sounds familiar. Wow, it stopped working. Apparently, FT bullies equals joke, or elevator gate. Their Twitter account was suspended, and I was reading the select shared girlhood things from his little Storify, whatchamacallit. So, I guess that's that. But one more before I go. Ruth, at Greenberg Ruth. Being told by adult men who are strangers to cheer up. You know what, Ruth? Because I aim to please and I don't want to get suspended like our old friend Elevator Gate, the next time I see a woman looking like sad or distressed, what I'll be like is I'll be like, you go ahead and fester in that, bitch. Just sit around feeling shitty. I respect your right to feel like shit. In fact, I insist. Anyway, have a nice night, everyone.